part 3. It is very snow. Wow. Lots of snow along here. It's actually covered the ground by now within probably like 2 hours.
Here we go, son.
Son.
Alright, go ahead and grab one of these snowboards.
Alright.
One of these children's snowboards with handles on them. Children with handles.
Oh, I get the handle. I got it. Alright, making our way over here.
It's all packed down, we can go on the runner cliff.
Yeah, we don't want to scrape up the driveway though. Either way.
But when next time we're gonna make a ramp out of ice.
There's gonna be no ice.
No, but I mean, we're gonna make ice by jumping along them.
Sure, why not? Alright, let's go. Don't get taken out, man. Ugh, freaking gloves. Alright. You did good. You did good.
I did a both, man.
You're on for round 2?
You ready for this? I want to start out bakey.
What? Alright.
Hit it backwards.
Got these. Oh, don't fall. Yeet.
Go for
Use
it.
that
I'll
one?
Take over
vlogging.
the
Alright.
handle.
I have to hold the handle as I'm going down.
Oh,
Yeah, it's kind of dark.
and I'm assuming you can't switch to the other
No.
camera mode. You should have done
No,
the other way.
I should have. Yeah.
Well,
Well, either way.
see a beautiful face for a few more minutes.
I'm a little nervous actually. Like I'm fall easily.
You'll be fine. Hit it.
Got it?
Hit it.
Alright. Oh my goodness.
Sean White.
Oh man.
He gone. Well, I'm just gonna make my way downtown. See ya.
Yeah!
See ya, boys. Huh. This is awkward. Oh yeah? What if I enjoy awkward silences with people who aren't talking back to me? This is giving them time to stare at my double chin area. It's prime real estate. It's hard to come by. Man. And then you get the nice grainy darkness of the top of the driveway. I'll get the action camera.
The action camera.
Yeah, I'll be your filmer. Go for it. I know all about filming because I'm a cool person. Except I can't see him. Oh boy! There he goes. I couldn't see him. Did it my big boy self though. Oh, it's my shoe.
Ow, my foot.
Man, what a joke these videos are. Oh my gosh. What a joke this is, huh? You know what I mean? You understand me. You know how humiliating this is. Stop eating my shoe. You understand me.
Destabilized.
You feel me.
Ouch. Yeah.
See, but Cameron, on the other hand, he doesn't understand the lifestyle that I live. Isn't compatible with his kind of lifestyle. I'm falling. Oh! It's alright. I'm gonna end the video without him knowing and just pretend to continue to film. That's less time for stupidity for me. Can't end the video.
Alright, back again, guys. It's in the morning. There's probably close to about 2.5 feet of snow out there. What would you say?
I agree strongly.
Yeah, we were out there.
Honestly,
We were
it's like 2
out there
feet.
snowboarding.
Honestly, it's like 2 feet. But,
It's close to 2. What are you watching? You're crazy. Anyway, we're back inside finally because it just got to the point where it was so exhausting doing stuff outside. So it's kind of our little thing. Mine's looking good because I put like way too much stuff in. Are you making duck noises over here? Sound like a chipmunk. Anyway. Alright. This is probably one of the last parts of the... Excuse me, guys, I'm still sick. One of the last parts of the vlog. For vlog number... I think this is 15. So, thanks guys. Almost hit 1,000 views. Be a pretty good milestone for us. So, signing off. Peace.
Bye.